I'm sure you all, like us, see the stories about states like California, where cultivators are struggling and an illicit market is thriving. Yet here in Massachusetts, we see a market with very strong prices at the moment. And so today, with this context, we're going to talk about the strategic and compliance reasons to focus on energy efficiency, when, how, what not to do. Gretchen and me, our job is to make sure that you all are aware of the Control Commission's energy regulations, and that you, in this workshop and the next two that will follow it, that you have unbiased expert resources to help you get up the learning curve in using efficient technologies and techniques.